If you're an electrician, you already know the wrong tool doesn't just slow you down. It can cost you time, money, and sometimes even safety. So here's the real question. Are Wera tools actually worth the premium price? Or are you just paying for the name? In this video, I'm breaking down 20 of the most popular Wera tools for electricians, from VD insulated screwdrivers and torque-controlled systems to self-setting joker spanners and compact Zyklop ratchets. I'll walk you through what makes each one stand out, where they make sense in real-world electrical work, and who should actually consider buying them. If you're building your toolkit or thinking about upgrading, this review will help you decide with confidence. Let's get into it. Wera Joker 6004 VD. When I look at electrician-focused tools, safety is always the first priority. That's exactly why the Wera Joker 6004 VD immediately stands out. This is a 4-piece VD insulated self-setting spanner set designed to handle both metric and Imperial hex screw heads and bolts. Instead of carrying a full range of fixed-size spanners, this set automatically and continuously grips hexagonal screws from 7mm up to 19mm and their Imperial equivalents. What I really appreciate here is the self-adjusting jaw mechanism. It grips the bolt automatically and uses a lever system that prevents slipping or rounding off the edges. That's crucial for electricians working on sensitive installations where damaged fasteners can become a real headache. Because it's VD insulated and individually tested, it's rated for safe working up to 1000 volts. That makes it suitable for live electrical environments when used properly. Another highlight is the integrated mechanical ratchet function. You don't need to remove the spanner after every turn. Combined with a return angle of just 30 degrees, this allows faster, more consistent screw driving, especially in tight switchboards or distribution panels. If you're an electrician who wants versatility, safety, and speed in one compact set, this is a serious contender. Wera 20 RAR. Next up is something compact but extremely practical. The Wera 20 RAR. This is a 6-piece Kraftform Kompakt set that features a ratchet integrated directly into the handle. That fine-tooth ratchet allows for quick work, especially in situations where space is limited and repositioning the tool is frustrating. What makes this tool interesting is the spinning capability. When there's minimal resistance from the screw, you can turn the handle quickly and efficiently, almost like using a speed screwdriver. The switching mechanism is intuitive. Turn the switch clockwise and it tightens. Turn it counterclockwise and it loosens. Simple and natural. It also includes an integrated bit magazine with 6 25mm by torsion bits, which are designed to absorb load peaks and extend bit life. For service electricians who need mobility, this is the kind of tool that fits easily into a pouch, yet covers a wide range of daily screw driving tasks. Wera Safe Torque Speed Series 7500 VDE. Precision matters in electrical installations, especially when working with terminals, breakers, or sensitive components. That's where the Safe Torque Speed Series 7500 VDE comes into play. This adjustable torque screwdriver covers a torque range of 1.2 to 3.0 Nm, making it ideal for low torque applications where over-tightening can cause serious damage. One feature I find particularly important is the distinct audible and tactile signal once the preset torque is reached. That click isn't just satisfying, it ensures consistent, repeatable tightening. It's compatible with Kraftform Kompakt VDE blades and allows rapid blade exchange, making it flexible across different screw profiles. For electricians who need controlled torque in live environments, this tool balances safety, speed, and precision beautifully. Wera Click Torque Lock C3. Now stepping into higher torque territory. The Click Torque Lock C3 is built for more demanding applications. With a measuring range of 40 to 200 Nm, and 3% precision in accordance with DIN standards. This 1/2 square drive torque wrench is ideal for heavier duty fastening tasks. One of its standout features is the torque lock function. You can deactivate the torque mechanism and use it like a standard ratchet for loosening stubborn bolts. That flexibility is incredibly useful on site. When you reach your set torque value, you get a clear, audible, and tactile click. That confirmation matters when you're working on structural mounts, heavy installations, or equipment that demands accurate torque values. If your electrical work occasionally crosses into mechanical fastening that requires high torque accuracy, this wrench is worth serious consideration. Wera 1850 Peach Kraftform Ball Grip. Sometimes the simplest tools are the ones you use the most. The 1850 Peach Kraftform Ball Grip Screwdriver is designed for comfort and control. With its PH2X 100mm configuration, it's perfect for common Phillips applications in electrical boxes, panels, and fixtures. The ball grip design allows for improved torque transfer and ergonomic handling. That means less fatigue during repetitive tasks, something electricians definitely deal with daily. It may not be as complex as the torque tools or ratcheting systems, but having a reliable, comfortable Phillips screwdriver is absolutely essential in any kit. Wera Kraftform Kompakt VD17RA1. If you're building a serious electrician kit, this set deserves attention. The Kraftform Kompakt VD17RA1 is a 17-piece insulated system built around 2 key handles, 1 ratcheting bit holder, and 1 standard VDE bit holder. The ratchet handle features 40 teeth with a 9 degrees return angle, which means you can work efficiently even in tight panels and junction boxes. What stands out to me is the integration of speed and safety. The ratchet mechanism allows spinning during screw driving, so when resistance is low, you can move quickly. Yet every blade is VDE insulated and individually tested for safe work up to 1000 volts. Another thoughtful feature is the Take It Easy tool finder system, color coding by profile, and laser engraved size markings. In real-world jobs where time matters, that visual organization can make a big difference. For electricians who want one compact, insulated, multi-profile system, this set covers a lot of ground. Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby 1. Now let's talk about tight spaces, because electrical work is full of them. The Kraftform Kompakt Stubby 1 is designed specifically for confined environments. The short, compact bit holder allows access where standard screwdrivers simply won't fit. This 19-piece system uses an interchangeable blade setup for quick swaps. The ergonomic 2-component Kraftform handle improves grip and torque transfer. Despite the shorter form factor, the included bitorsion bits help absorb peak loads, extending bit life under demanding use. If you regularly work inside cabinets, control panels, or behind installed equipment, having a stubby system like this can prevent a lot of frustration. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400RA Imperial Set 1. When higher torque is required, but you still want control, T-handles become extremely useful. This Kraftform Kompakt 400RA Imperial set combines a T-handle design with an integrated ratchet mechanism that gives you greater leverage while maintaining fast operation. The fine-tooth ratchet allows smooth work, and the reversing lever lets you quickly switch directions. What really enhances speed here is the wrap adapter technology. The fast rotating sleeve makes bit changes quick and efficient. For electricians dealing with larger fasteners or situations requiring more tightening force, this T-handle system provides both power and comfort. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100. If versatility is your priority, this one is hard to ignore. The Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a 52-piece, very compact pouch set built for wide coverage. It includes torsion bits designed for long service life and features wrap adapter technology for fast bit exchange. What I like about this kind of set is that it reduces guesswork. Whether you're dealing with Phillips, positive torques, or hex fasteners, chances are you'll find the correct profile in this pouch. The compact textile case keeps everything organized and portable, which is ideal for service technicians or electricians moving between job sites. If you want maximum bit coverage and a minimal footprint, this set makes a strong case. Wera Joker 6006. The Joker 6006 takes the self-setting concept even further. This is a double spanner system that automatically adjusts to cover both metric and imperial dimensions within its application range. That means fewer individual spanners in your bag. Just like the 6004 series, it features automatic gripping of hexagonal screws and bolts, lever mechanism to prevent slipping, mechanical ratchet functionality. The ratchet function is particularly helpful when you're working in limited access areas, where repositioning the tool repeatedly slows you down. For electricians who frequently deal with mounting brackets, cable tray systems, or mixed fastener types, this tool simplifies the workflow significantly. Wera Safe Torque, a 1 Set 1. When controlled torque really matters, this set becomes extremely relevant. The Safe Torque 1 is a 10-piece torque wrench set with a 1/4 square head drive and a torque range of 2 to 12 Nm. That range is ideal for electrical terminals, sensitive components, and applications where precision is critical. What I find particularly smart is the slip-over release mechanism. Once the set torque is reached, it prevents over-tightening. That reduces the risk of damaging terminals or compromising safety. It also features the torque lock function, allowing you to deactivate torque control and use it as a standard ratchet when needed. That flexibility means you're not carrying two separate tools. Add to that the audible and tactile click during torque adjustment, and you get repeatable accuracy with confidence. For electricians dealing with specification-driven installations, this tool makes a strong case. Wera 6003 Joker 4 Set Imperial 1. This is where smart geometry comes into play. The 6003 Joker Ring Ratchet Spanner set is designed for tight working environments. The special mouth geometry increases placement possibilities, meaning you don't need as much swing room to reposition the tool. The low return angle in the mouth grabs the screw every 15 degrees, which can be incredibly helpful when space is restricted. The slim ring side with a 15 degrees crank also improves access around obstacles. For electricians working around cable trays, supports, and enclosures, having a spanner that adapts to limited clearance can save both time and effort. Wera 056490 Tool Check Plus. This one is a favorite among many technicians because of its portability and versatility. The Tool Check Plus is a 39-piece assortment that combines bits, sockets, and a compact ratchet into one organized unit. It's essentially a mini mobile toolkit. Instead of carrying separate ratchets, socket rails, and bit boxes, everything is stored in a tight, accessible format. That's perfect for service calls or quick troubleshooting tasks. For electricians who move frequently between locations, having both metric sockets and screwdriver bits in one compact kit can significantly reduce tool bag bulk. If efficiency and mobility matter to you, this is a practical addition. Wera 827 Ti Kraftform Turbo. Speed is the defining feature here. The 827 Ti Kraftform Turbo handle is engineered to increase screw driving speed up to 4 times faster. Thanks to its purely mechanical turbo function, no battery required. You activate or deactivate the turbo feature with a push button. When resistance is low, the internal steel gear system multiplies rotation speed. When torque increases, you can switch back to standard mode for controlled tightening. For electricians who handle repetitive screw tasks, outlet installations, panel assembly, device mounting, this mechanical speed boost can dramatically cut down working time. It's maintenance-free and robust, which is important in demanding environments. Wera 8007 BVDE Zyklop ratchet. Safety and compact power come together here. The 8007 BVDE Zyklop ratchet is insulated and individually tested for safe work up to 1000 volts. That makes it suitable for live working situations when proper procedures are followed. It features 80 fine teeth, giving it a return angle of just 4.5 degrees. That extremely small arc swing is a major advantage in confined electrical cabinets. The slim design, ergonomic grip zone, push-button socket lock, and reversing lever all contribute to comfortable and efficient operation. For electricians who require insulated ratcheting capability, especially in switchgear or panel environments, this tool fills a very specific but valuable role. Wera 7515 Kraftform Safe Torque Speed. When I look at mid-range torque control tools for electricians, this one fills an important gap. The 7515 Kraftform Safe Torque Speed covers a selectable torque range of 2.0 to 6.0 Nm, making it ideal for applications like terminal blocks, breakers, control devices, and sensitive installations. What makes it stand out is the quick torque adjustment system. You can easily switch between preset torque levels 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 Nm without complicated recalibration. It also includes a torque lock position, allowing unlimited tightening and loosening when torque control isn't required. And once the selected torque is reached, the slip-over mechanism prevents over-tightening. For electricians who need both speed and protection against over-tightening, this screwdriver offers a strong balance. Wera Bicycle Set 15. At first glance, this might seem more bicycle-focused, and it is, but there's crossover value here. The Bicycle Set 15 is a compact 14-piece screw-driving kit designed for mobile use. It includes the Zyklop Mini 1-bit ratchet and essential profiles commonly used in mechanical applications. For electricians who work in field service, renewable installations, or mobile repair units, having a lightweight, compact secondary kit can be extremely useful. It comes in a robust textile folding pouch, making it easy to store inside a larger tool bag. If portability and compact versatility matter, this set has practical appeal beyond just bike repair. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400. This is where torque transfer becomes the priority. The Kraftform Kompakt 400 is a T-handle screwdriver system designed for transmitting particularly high tightening and loosening moments. The ergonomic two-component handle with finger recesses improves grip and reduces fatigue during demanding applications. It also features Rapidaptor technology for fast bit changes and includes magnetic bit holders for easier screw handling. For electricians installing heavy fixtures, mounting systems, or working with structural fasteners, this T-handle design provides serious mechanical advantage. Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 Set 2. This set builds on the previous one, but adds ratcheting functionality. The 400RA Set 2 combines the leverage of a T-handle with a fine-tooth ratchet system. That means you get high torque capability along with speed and directional control. It's compatible with standard 1/4 hex bits and includes a wide range of profiles, Phillips, Posidriv, Torx, and slotted. For electricians who frequently alternate between high torque applications and repetitive fastening, this hybrid approach can streamline workflow significantly. It's essentially about combining strength and efficiency in one system. Wera 8009 Zyklop Pocket Set Imperial 1. To wrap up the list, we have something extremely compact yet versatile. The Zyklop Pocket features a pivoting ratchet head with 5 locking positions, and it cleverly doubles as both a 3/8 square drive ratchet and a 1/4 hex bit driver. With 72 teeth and a 5 degrees return angle, it performs well even in confined spaces. It also includes a captive swiveling bit magazine for organized storage and easy access. For electricians who want a powerful yet pocket-sized ratchet solution, this tool is surprisingly capable.